Vanakkam brothers and sisters, welcome to Indian Catholic Ministry YouTube channel. Today's gospel reading is from Matthew chapter 25 verses 1 through 30. Stay awake, for you do not know the day nor the hour. Jesus tells the parable of 10 bridesmaids who waited for the groom. It is important to trust in God's words, wait in faith with right preparation. 5 wise girls had foreseen that the bridegroom might very well delay. As a result, they had taken the precaution of providing themselves with a reserve of oil in the lamp. Being without oil in the lamp means exclusion from the wedding. So, oil in the lamp symbolizes something here in Jesus' parable. Lamp is our heart of love, hope and faith, and must be overfilled with the oil of our caring, compassion, mercy, inclusion of others and services. Hence, we should be thinking of everything that makes up our preparation for the great encounter with Jesus Christ. When we do so, at the hour of our death, when we fall asleep for the last time, when our beloved Jesus will come to wake us up from that ultimate sleep, we will have quite enough light to follow him in the banquet hall through that narrow door. All we must do is work on lamp, and do we pour in it enough oil every day. I like to congratulate Kamala Harris. At this moment, I do not have any political party preferences, but still I like to congratulate Kamala Harris, who is the first Vice President of the United States of America. She is the African American and Indian descent. So she has to read a lot of books, studying in a university and working hard for that. Not only the theory part, but also the practice. She has to work out, do a lot of things, bringing a concrete result and influencing the world. So today, to be at that position, she did prepare a lot, and she made sure that her lamp with reserve of oil. Many of us, we start so much of energy and so much of with the enthusiasm along the God's path. But the delay in the fulfillment of God's words, God's promises disappoints us and discourages. So our love, our faith, our hope runs out, and we didn't carry enough reserves with us. So eventually we drop out. And later we come to know that God fulfilled his covenant. Let us all be like that 5 wise bridesmaids who are very much with faith, love and hope, filled with perseverance in faith and perseverance in mission. Let us all be that 5 wise bridesmaids. I like to end this video with some personal story regarding this Jesus' parable on 10 bridesmaids. So this parable, when I was in 7th grade, we did a play act based on this parable. Not based on exactly this parable. And so actually, if you think that I was one of the bridesmaid, definitely not, because this bridesmaid has to do a dancing part in that one sequence. So I wasn't part of the bridesmaid, but I was Jesus's disciple. So we made the story as though Jesus was walking with the disciples, and then he's saying this parable. So the girl was who acted as Jesus. She was there in front. I was one of the 12 disciples. And then there was this 10 girls out of 5 all the 10 were dancing, and at one point only 5 will be still dancing and singing, and the other 5 will be asleep. So when we were preparing for this on that day, I have to put on the beard, mustache and everything. So there was one of our friend who was doing all that one, helping with all our group and everything. So she put the beard and mustache and everything. So once she's done with that person, she will say the apostle's name, one of the apostle names. Oh, you're Saint Philip. Oh, you're Saint Peter. You're Saint Thomas. So something like this. She say everything. And when it was my turn, when she put on the mustache and beard and everything, once she's done with me, she said, "Oh, Reshma, you are Saint John." And so I came home and I told my mom, my mom asked me, okay, how did it go? The play, how did it go? "Oh, very well." And you know who I played, what part I played? I am Saint John. Actually, no such part was given, but still, since that person, whoever did that mustache and beard for me, she gave the name to me, that Saint John. So I was so happy, and I told my mom, and my mom was so happy. The reason why I'm sharing this is not because only it's related to this parable, but also fast forwarding 10 years, more than 10 years after that incident, after that 7th grade, I got married and my husband name is John. So whenever father reads this parable, and he talked about it during the homily, I was just blushing and I just smiled to myself like, I am, my husband name is John, and in the 7th grade, the girl, that person, whoever did it to me, and she said that, and my mom was so happy. So I feel like it's my mom was so happy. I feel like that is a blessing, because my mom wasn't able to be she wasn't alive during the time, during my wedding. So I feel like it's a blessing, and it's so much personal fun story to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to Indian Catholic Ministry YouTube channel.